This is a question from an A-level paper, Cambridge A-levels. It's a question that combines NMR and mass spectrometry. It says that there's an unknown compound, which is G. The molecular formula of the compound is given as CXHYO2. Yeah. Molecular compound formula of the compound is given as CXHYO2. We do not know what X is, what Y is. We only know that there are two oxygens. When a sample was placed in a mass spectrometer, the ratio of MM plus 1 peaks was 14.5 to 0.66. And we know that the MM plus 1 peak abundance ratio can be used to find the number of carbon atoms. And the formula is number of carbon atoms is the abundance of the M plus 1 peak divided by the abundance of the M plus peak multiplied by 100 over 1.1. So you apply that, you got the abundance of the M plus 1 peak is 0.66 divided by 14.5 multiplied by 100 over 1.1. And on quick calculation, let's just see. At 0.66 multiplied by 100 divided by 14.5 divided by 1.1. And we get 4.13. So to the nearest whole number, it's approximated to 4, which means there are 4 carbon atoms. Since the compound is CXHYO2, we understand that X is equal to 4. Yeah, X is equal to 4. Now, these numbers that are given right above the peaks refer to the number of hydrogens that are represented by each of these peaks. So this peak, this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this looks like a quartet is represented by 2 hydrogens. So it's a 2 hydrogen peak, which is a quartet. A 3 hydrogen singlet and a 3 hydrogen triplet. Okay, so we have a 2 hydrogen quartet. So 2 hydrogen quartet, a 3 hydrogen singlet, and a 3 hydrogen triplet. Now a 2 hydrogen quartet and a 3 hydrogen triplet is usually a CH3CH2, right? CH3CH2. If you have a CH3CH2, the CH3 peak, this 3 hydrogen peak, will be split by these 2 hydrogens into a triplet. So this will be seen as a triplet, while these 2 hydrogens will be split by these 3, the CH3 hydrogens, into a 3 plus 1, which is a quartet. So a 2 hydrogen quartet and a 3 hydrogen triplet is usually, CH3CH2. There are 2 oxygens, right? There are 2 oxygens, 4 carbons. Now this is 2 carbons. There are 2 oxygens. So the only option I see is CH3CH2, O, C double bond O, CH3. Or the other option is CH3CH2, C double bond O, OCH3. So it could either be methyl propanoate, which is the second compound that I mentioned, or it could be ethyl ethanoate, which is the first compound. You could either use okay, and then you can refer to the values. Okay, the value of this 3 hydrogen of the singlet. The 3 hydrogen singlet, if it is present next to a C double bond O, it'll be a more little upfield, so it'll be closer to that. While this one, I expect this to be more downfield, right? Because it's connected to an electronegative oxygen atom. As a result, you expect its electrons to be pulled away. So it's more de-shielded, so you expect it to be more downfield. So you can just check with your values. If I have to stick my neck out without going through the values, I would say it is this compound and not this one. Yeah, I hope that helps.